Hey guys, welcome to my videos. So guys, today in this video I'm gonna unboxing of this E99 drone. So let's proceed. So the very first thing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna remove this tape and I'm gonna unbox it from here. So I have this bag. Okay, it's good that they have given this bag because this will make sure that everything goes inside this bag. I mean, it's a good place to store. So I'm gonna open it and then we are gonna see what exactly is inside. Wow. Okay, support. So this is a mini drone controller, charging cable and some gears. Okay, so I'm gonna start assembling it. So the very first thing I'm gonna do is to put batteries inside this. Okay guys, so what I have done, I have put the battery on. Then first you need to turn this power button on. You need to take the battery off here. Okay, this one. Okay, uh, this one you see, this one, the battery off. Take the sticker off, spread the wings, that's very important, and then turn this on and give it a minute. I mean, you keep it pressed so that it gets connected. Then I'll correct it, but yeah, that's how it works. So it really works. Thanks for watching this guys, and please subscribe my channel. Thank you.